how to change language in PowerPoint. Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can change your language in PowerPoint. So for that, just open your PowerPoint and just simply click on this file and just click on this options. When you click on this, just simply here click on language. When you click here, you can see there option called display language. There are two options. First one is match Microsoft window and second one is English. So select the first one, match Microsoft window, if you want to change your language to your window language. Now just simply install any language in your PC or laptop, and then that language will be applicable on your PowerPoint tool. So I will select this match Microsoft window, click on OK, and now I will change my PC language from English to Urdu, and then this language, you can see my PowerPoint language has been changed to Urdu. So just keep your PowerPoint language as default as window, and then simply install any language on your PC, and then your PowerPoint language will automatically be changed.